bourbon. Hey, you watching the blue bike? You watching me in the shed as I dig around in the shed on the Blue Bike and Doors channel. The TBB and Doors channel. TB and Doors channel. Because I got a black bike. I got a blue bike that started it all, which is no longer here before because it was a 2016. That's a 2019. Barely blue. The other one was Superior Blue. And I got a vivid, very rare color of vivid black, but it's also got a custom paint job on it called Apex. That's what I've been told. Very rare. Very, very rare. Anyway, for that intro, we go change the oil in the very rare 2010 F150. Like I said, we just got back from the mountain. Well, I didn't say that, I just now said it. That's the rain that we ran into. Just barely didn't. Roads were wet in places, and we made it home right before it started raining. And so we just pulled straight in. This ain't the road we usually park it because I like to dick around up there with my table and weld stuff and whatnot, and I can't do that with this in the way. So I'm gonna pull these out in a minute, and I'm gonna wash them up with my for advertising. You know, I'm my influencer, my phone gun from Slick Products, and then we'll shine it up with some Slick products and make it look just like that. That's the last time we washed it. It ain't been used. Anyway, yeah, when you see dirty toys, we're going to use this to finish it off. And I felt it because I ordered some more. Yeah, I ordered a 310 shine. So I'm going to use a door pry. I got me a mitten brush, and I got a gallon of washing mats because I found this hybrid cleaner works pretty dang good just by spraying it on, washing it off, and then spray it. And the next time you go wash it, the bugs and everything comes off easier. But right now I gotta go in the house and get my Amsoil because I use Amsoil in my F150. Let's do that. Yep. Hope I got enough room in here. Let's see, probably 5 quarts in a motorcycle. Or it takes, I think it takes, I don't remember, I have to look it up. Recommended oil fill. I think it takes, let's see, it takes, see, I can slide in here. Let's see, was 5/8 it? Yes. But also 5/8 is 15 mics. Does not work because it must be a 16 mic. Alright, so what's this? This is a heavy dish. Let me take make sure you take your plugs out of your drain plugs. It will drain down in it and not run out all over the place. That's a cat right there at your face, ain't it? Huh? Happy dog. They cut mine out. That would have street pipe. Because the 2 cats coming out of the. Because it's a V8. I cut those off and let street pipe. What am I doing? Taking the vents out so it will drain. Come on. Oh, shoot. Hello. Daylight. Come in. I want to go riding. Okay. He fell off. Can you still hear me? I'll let that drain for a minute while I clean my hand off with my... You open your hood so you can undo the oil cap. I'll pop this away up. Okay, and then I need a stool because I'm short. Where's my stool? Got my stool. There's a milk crate. Because I'm country like that. Way down there. Alright. The good old 4.6. That could be a 5.0. Couldn't be 4 more tenths. It'd be a 5.0. It's a 4.6. Anyway, cheap on gas. Is that done draining yet? Worked for me. Get my trusty 55/8. This is American made. America. Slide back under here. I can reach the thing. Uh-oh, now I'm stuck. Because I tried to lay down and turn over before I got back in here. Alright. Make sure you put your fan plug back in the car. No crush washer available. Don't need one because it's a Ford. Ford's better than Chevrolet. Sideways. Let's hope I got enough oogly in me to pull that filter off. It's like that one big black cloud right there. I gotta clip it right here. Hey, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Alright, now, because I'm going to reach up in here and torque my arm so I can get on that filter. It wasn't. There it goes. There comes all the oil. Because he's doing it sideways. How long is that boat? There it comes. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There it goes. I got it. Oh, let's get it out because that's hot. It's got all over my microphone here. Let's see. I said I wrote that on there, and I did. What does it say? 9185 9158 on 9/17/25. So let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 8 months. Because no, 6, 9 months, give or take. Because my truck, it's 5,000 miles. This is synthetic, give or take. I don't drive it but like 15 miles a day. 20, one way, then turn around and come out the next 2 days later, maybe, Anyway, so, yeah. It tells you when to change the oil. And it came up oil service too. It tells you, I guess somehow it models how dirty the oil is or how, it's smart trucks. 2010 is smart. Anyway, I got that drained. Alright. Now, let's go get the new stuff. Put the oil in it. First, you gotta put the filter back on. And due to it being sideways filter, I need to write the mileage down. Yep. Let's see, here's your part number in case you're wondering. Is that the same? Why, hell no. Son of a biscuit. That's not even close to being the same filter. Nope, not even close. Damn you, Amsoil. Well, there's watch here. Guess I gotta run the advance. Dang it. I have to write in my letter because that ain't the right filter. I'm using in Amsoil high mileage 5W30 is what it requires. God's quick 6 quarts. And that's a gallon. And then 2 little ones. 2 quarts. Alrighty. Triton. The Triton. Ooh. Drop you. Wish it had a handle on the side. Make it easy to pour. Oh well. Don't hurt it. Alright, next step, start it up. Let's check for leaks. We like cleaning my hands with some sweetpatina.com hand wipes. You can get yours at sweetpatina.com. Use pudding PFS 64 for 15% discount. You want some cleaning stuff, go to Slick. Some shining stuff and wash, go to Slick Products. All the links will be down in the description. Use my code TBBN, the letter N, Doyle, D, Doyle. It's TBN Doyle. Yep, that's my promotion code. All that be down in the description. And my hands are all clean, the oils and freshly changed, and get back to the work truck, back and forth to work truck. Now I guess I'm gonna go wash some dirty motorcycles. How to wash motorcycles? My door bar. Yeah, you don't have to do that. It's already humid now because it just rained. Go check out that video there, that one there. Hit that subscribe button. Don't cost you a dime. Might save you something. Later. See you down the road. Bye. Woo-hoo.